I'm making this video about these headers. I contacted the company that sells them. They said that they had to be modified on the driver's side. That's what people claimed, but I didn't see anything really major on the driver's side. On the left side, but the passenger side, I had to grind this motor mount bracket off in order to get them to fit in there. And these studs I had to cut in order to tighten the bolts. Now this back one right here on the passenger side, the right rear on the top, that bolt is almost impossible to get a wrench on. So I had to use like a chisel and a hammer to tighten it. And I had to wall out the holes, grind them out some so they would fit up in there right, because they weren't exactly centered on the bolt. This is a 01 F250 5.4 2 valve. And the driver's side went on pretty easy, just had to wall out the holes, and everything went on pretty easy. This is the exhaust pipe for the EGR, which this does not have an EGR, but I got a cap over it, Ace Hardware, to fit in there. The passenger side, they switched the flange. The flange used to go like a 90 degree off, where the bolt holes were right here and on the back side above the starter, and they turned the flange so the flange hits up against the bell housing, so you have to grind off a little bit of the flange in order to get the thing to sit up there flush. Other than that, it looks pretty decent. I mean, they look like a nice set of headers. So again, I had to cut off 2 4 studs on the back side on the passenger side. Of course, this is a reman motor, and they put longer studs on it, so it's not the same as the original. So you may not have to cut too much off the original. But anyhow, good luck. Nice looking set of headers.